Hi everybody and welcome back into the channel. I think today we're going to look at some layer 2 infrastructure tokens, an area of crypto which is naturally kind of neglected because people just kind of underlook this category of cryptocurrencies. And you know, if we were able to identify the coins such as Polygon before they did pump, then we'd be in a great position. And there are still coins out there that have not yet exploded like Polygon Matic did. So let's have a little look at some cool coins today, guys, on the layer 2 side of things, which really helps with scalability for ETH networks and NFTs and things. So you can see here recent news: Coinbase launches layer 2 blockchain base to provide on-ramp for Ethereum, Solana, and other ecosystems, which is really cool in my opinion, guys. So it says here Coinbase is joining Optimism as a core developer on the open source OP stack, developer toolkit for the Optimism network. Said, right? So it's looking not bad. I think we're going to see a lot of bullish growth for layer 2s in the future. It says here, however, base will not be limited to Ethereum. It will also provide easy and secure access to layer 2 networks, such as Optimism, as well as other blockchain ecosystems like Solana. So it's a very, very healthy kind of synergetic integration and update here, and I think it's going to be absolutely massive for some coins. You know, thinking like Arbitrum or Immutable X and things like that. So what is a layer 2? Layer 2 solutions offer a way of increasing transaction speeds and scaling while benefiting from the security of the main chain. In some cases, they can process thousands of transactions per second, also known as TPS, which will be needed if Ethereum is to achieve wider adoption. So they really are looking to scale Ethereum, just like Polygon Matic is. That's why they have a very positive correlation, Ethereum and Polygon price. So first coin we're looking at, of course, is going to be Optimism. They've got some massive updates, guys, for the rest of the year. They're working on some big things like super chains right now. So promising coin. Last year has been quite rocky. We've seen lows of like 50 cents. Year to date has been a very strong uptrend from 0.9 to a 3x for Optimism crypto, guys. Would have been amazing. It was basically doing nothing behind the scenes. People didn't talk about it. Now suddenly, because it's pumping, everyone wants a piece of the cake. Again, it always happens. Same old, rinse and repeat cycle. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I do have a Patreon page, and you can check my Patreon link down below if you want to become part of the VIP Discord, where we've got loads of trading signals, pre-sales, analysis, insights, and much more to help you grow in the crypto winter. Some of the pre-sales return some really strong ROI, as you can see here, like Tamadoge and Battle Infinity. But we've also got educational videos, free ebook, spot trading signals, leverage trading, one-on-one lessons, and anything you need, guys. Active analysts in the market, some top traders, and some fantastic moderators as well. So check out my Patreon, it's down below if you want to have a little look at that, but more on that later. Optimism for now. So it said here, just literally a tweet from yesterday: it's time for Optimism to prepare for the next wave of adoption. It's time to build a unified network of chains, not just one. It's time to build together, not apart. So this is so bullish, guys, this kind of things. Today, big brands are looking for platforms to call home, but current options are imperfect. They're faced with a difficult decision: deploy an ETH layer 1 and forfeit scalability, confine themselves to a single layer 2, or deploy their own chain, fragmenting liquidity and network effects. So, whoa. The Optimism stack seeks to maximize interoperability, which is of course really important. One sec, guys, my ring light has gone a bit flaccid over here, so let's cheer him up. There we go. The OP stack seems to, seeks to maximize interoperability and composability, integrating otherwise solar L2s into one cohesive layer. So pretty kind of crazy stuff. This is known as a super chain. We must work towards a seamless experience where cross-chain complexities are abstracted away. So they're working on something super big. Optimism at the moment, we could see some crazy stuff happen for Optimism in the future because of this particular super chain. Wow, guys, this is very bullish indeed for Optimism crypto. In the long term, the super chain can blossom into a sprawling network which maximizes interoperability, shares decentralized protocols, and standardizes its core primitives, all while funding the public goods which enable it. Super cool, guys. I think Optimism is certainly a key coin to be holding in the future with a market cap of 720 million. 10x seems very realistic for this coin, and it is actually just about to all-time high right now in terms of its market capitalization, so it could easily hit 1 billion soon. Optimism looking very bullish on the daily time frame. Last 3 months, like we said, very, very strong uptrend. So if only we got in a bit earlier when we started looking at this coin when it had a much lower market cap. I did look at it on the channel, but unfortunately I didn't buy much or enough. Next one, guys, is going to be, of course, looking at DeFi Llama, the TVL, some of the chains here that we can see. Things like Velodrome, Synthetics, AV3. We've also got Leader, MakerDAO, Curve, Aave, other chains. Areas of DeFi that look very good. But here are the actual chains that we want to start looking at. So you've got things like Optimism at 1.83%, Avalanche, Polygon, Arbitrum, Phantom. These are all great ecosystems. Of course, Ethereum is the tip of the spearhead with 29 billion TVL. So it's the leader. It's winning. We've got Tron following shortly behind. BSC, BP20 is always going to be a top 5. And their Optimism is, guys, sitting at 7. Rank 7 with Phantom behind, Kronos and Mixin behind them as well. So very interesting to see this. At the moment, Optimism has a TVL of $912 million, which is interesting. Higher than its current market capitalization. When we look at Optimism, we can then see a breakdown of each name, what's happening in this particular ecosystem, the chain itself. We've got Velodrome, we've got Synthetics, AV3, Curve, Beefy, Uniswap, and loads of other big aggregates that contribute to the TVL over here. Top layer 2s, we can see we've got Polygon, Matic, IMX, Optimism, GMX, Loopring, Synthetics, Injective. I never heard of Injective, that's one to research. OMG, we've got ZRX, Scale, DYDX, and just look for the low gems really, like ZKS Space. What is this? It's only got $16 million market cap. Could it do a 10x in the future? But I think, you know, these coins all have massive potential, so keep an eye on your layer 2s because they do have big long-term growth potential. Polygon Matic is another one as well, rank 8 at the moment, $11 billion market cap, so much higher than Optimism in terms of the market dominance. It doesn't mean we're going to see, you know, either of them flop. It just means maybe the returns are diminishing here, and market cap wise, Polygon Matic has less potential. I do see it going above $20 billion in the bull run, so we're looking at a 2-3x here, guys. And they're working on lots of cool stuff like ZK rollups at the moment. Yeah, I would really keep an eye on them. Polygon, ZK EVM, mainnet beta. That's what they're working on at the moment. March 27, Polygon, ZK EVM launches the future of Ethereum scaling. So another very bullish thing to be looking at, the ZK EVM to Ethereum, with Love announcing Polygon ZK EVM mainnet. So March 27, look out for that particular date, guys. I honestly think this could be very bullish. So we see here over 84k wallets, over 300k blocks produced, over 75k ZK proofs generated. Keep your eyes on the road for this road to mainnet roadmap that they've got right here, guys, because it will be very bullish, and once it takes off, it's going to be quick. So there's something else to look at. Immutable X, $1 at the moment. $1, retrospectively speaking, it was down to 47 cents last 3 months during the bearish times. Last year, came up to $2.68, all-time high. Was around, ooh, look at that, not bad at all, 8ish, $9.31, so definitely undervalued, massive undervaluation, 90% down, 41% of supply and circulation at the moment. Immutable X is another layer 2. Immutable X is the leading platform for building Web3 games on Ethereum, so if you like play to earn, metaverse and DeFi, Immutable X, that could be one of yours. It could be a good one to consider for your portfolio. There's 3 coins. What is going to edit this out? Not meant to be. 3 coins, guys, that we could potentially look at. This is what happens when you're an entrepreneur on a budget, guys. You just... Immutable X, so powering the next generation of Web3 games. What's going on? Immutable X, introducing Immutable Passport, your passport to the future of gaming. Lots of big partnerships over here, ambassadors, in celebration of the Lost Glitches. So they've got a big partnership here, exclusive booster packs. I think IMX, certainly one to look at the future. Powering the next generation of Web3 gaming. Obviously, we are seeing loads of money locked into gaming ecosystems right now. The only gas-free minting platform. #1 platform in NFT trades as well. So it's carbon neutral. Very important. I think these layer 2s have so much potential, guys. What do you honestly think? I do think they look very good. If you're also looking for some short-term gains, high risk, high reward playouts, not financial advice, we've got 3 pre-sales down below that you can have a little look at as well. Fight out, move to 1 play to earn. We've got Robot Era Metaverse Token, which is also very bullish. Have a look at that one, guys. Honestly, This one is a metaverse token where you can play as a robot, as you see right here, in a sandbox planets rebuilding world. And we also have C+ Charge, a sustainable token where you can acquire carbon credits and also capitalize crypto for saving the planet through electric vehicle charging stations. They've all raised quite a lot of money, all pretty much over $1 million. And yeah, guys, pre-sales allow you to get in before the speculated pump. But remember, it's not financial advice. They are linked down below. You can buy them on the MetaMask wallet, on your ERC20 network or BEP20 network, transaction tax free. Just convert BNB, Ethereum or USDT into the particular token of your choice. They're all linked down below. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe button. Consider becoming a patron if you want to enhance your crypto journey in the bull markets, and at least just come say hi in the Discord. Anyway, it's completely free to do so. The link is also down below. Anyways, you guys have a great weekend. I hope you enjoyed this video on layer 2s. Optimism and Polygon and IMX are 3 that I'm eyeing up very deeply at the moment. See you all soon, guys. Bye for now and stay crypto safe. Thanks for watching.